Now we will discuss extra sum. First one we will take, if x plus 1 by x is equal to 10, find the value of first one x square plus 1 by x square value, second one x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4, and x cube plus 1 by x cube. First one we will take first one here, what, number 1 x square plus 1 by x square. We know that x plus 1 by x is equal to 10. This one given. If we take both sides, squaring both sides, this one square, then this one will be what? X square plus 1 by x whole square plus 2 into x into 1 by x, a square plus b square plus twice ab, and 10 square means 100. Now this one x square plus 1 by x square, and this x cancel, plus 2 is equal to 100. Therefore x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 100 minus 2, because if we transfer from left hand side to right hand side, then positive will be negative. This implies x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 98. Then second one we have to find x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. This one means what? X square plus 1 by x square. We know that x square plus 1 by x square equal to 98. This one equal to 98. If we squaring both sides, then x square plus 1 by x square whole square and 98 square. If we squaring, then this one x square plus 1 by x square plus twice x square into 1 by x square is equal to 98 into 98. How much? 98 into 98 is equal to 478, and then 288. That means 40. One six, sorry, 9604. That means this one 9604. This implies this one will be x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. This cancel, and this will be 9604 minus 2. Therefore x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 will be 9602. This one. Then third one, we have to find x cube plus 1 by x cube. We know that x plus 1 by x is equal to 10. Now we take cube, taking cube in both sides. Now this one means what? X cube plus 1 by x whole cube plus 3 into x into 1 by x into x plus 1 by x, and this one will be what? 1000, because 10 cube means 1000. This x cancel. This implies x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into x plus 1 means x plus 1 by x means 10. This one 1000. Therefore x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 30 is equal to 1000. This implies x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 1000 minus 30. That means x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 0, then 7, 970. This way we can find the value of x square plus 1 by x square, x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4, and x cube plus 1 by x cube if x plus 1 by x values are given. Next one question. Simplify a square minus b square into whole cube plus b square minus c square whole cube and c square minus a square whole cube, and this one a minus b whole cube, b minus c whole cube and c minus a whole cube. We have to simplify. We know that if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. With the help of identity we can find this one. First one, we solve this one sum. First one, we have a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. Now this one is equal to how much? A square, this one cancel, b square, this one cancel, c square, this one cancel. That means this one equal to 0. Therefore, this implies what happened? Therefore, a square minus b square cube plus b square minus c square cube whole cube plus c square minus a square whole cube is equal to 3 into a square minus b square minus c square and c square minus a square. Next, this one we can expand. Again, this one means directly we can write. Okay, now this one a minus b plus, again denominator a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. This one is equal to how much? A cancel, b cancel, c cancel. This one equal to 0. This implies what happened? If it is this one, then we'll get a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube is equal to 3a minus b, b minus c and c minus a. This one also we can expand like this way: a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, because a square minus b square, and b square minus c square, b plus c into b minus c, and this one c plus a into c minus a. Now we have to simplify this one: a square minus b square whole cube plus b square minus c square whole cube plus c square minus a square whole cube divided by a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube. This one you can write. This one means 3a plus b into a minus b, b plus c into b minus c, c plus a into c minus a, and here a plus 3 into a plus b, a minus b, b minus c and c minus a. This one is equal to this one, denominator, this one, and numerator part is this one, numerator part, and this one, denominator part. Now 3 cancel, this one cancel, this one cancel, this one cancel. Now left what? A plus b, b plus c and c plus a. That means if we simplify this one, then we will get the answer a plus b into b plus a, b plus c plus c plus a. This one is the answer. Thank you.